Understanding Resonant Sound, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of the English language, resonant sound. Understanding this concept will not only improve your pronunciation but also deepen your appreciation for the beauty of spoken English. So, let's dive in. Resonant sound refers to a type of sound produced in speech that is rich, full, and vibrant. It occurs when the air vibrates in a particular way as it passes through the vocal tract. The key characteristics of resonant sound are its depth, richness, and carrying power. This kind of sound is often described as ringing or echoing in the ears. In English pronunciation, resonance is crucial. It gives life and clarity to spoken words. For language learners, mastering resonant sounds can help in achieving clearer and more natural pronunciation. It's especially important in English because it affects how native speakers perceive your speech. To produce a resonant sound, focus on the following. 1. Breath support. Proper breathing is crucial. Deep, diaphragmatic breathing supports resonant voice production. 2. Vocal tract positioning. The shape and positioning of your mouth, throat, and nasal passages affect resonance. Experiment with different positions to find the most resonant sound. 3. Practice with vowels. Vowels are the best sounds to practice resonance. Start with long vowel sounds like A in father and O in go. Here are some simple exercises. Humming. Humming helps you feel vibration and resonance. Try humming at different pitches. Reading aloud. Read passages aloud, focusing on producing a rich, full sound. Recording and listening. Record your voice and listen back. Identify areas where your speech can be more resonant. Many learners face challenges like nasal or flat sounds. Here are tips to overcome them. Relax your throat. A tense throat can hinder resonance. Practice relaxation techniques. Mind your posture. Good posture aids in better breath control and resonance. Seek feedback. Regular feedback from a teacher or a language partner can be invaluable. We hope this video has helped you understand and start practicing resonant sound in English. Remember, like any skill, it takes time and practice, but the results are rewarding. Keep practicing, and soon you'll notice a significant improvement in your English pronunciation. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.